Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So Ignou's hall ticket for December 2025 is now out. Okay, follow my instructions, whatever I'm showing you. Just watch this video very clearly and you don't have to go through anything. And if you can't find, even after showing this, if you can't find the link, just comment down. I'll send the link in the comment section itself. Okay, so you have to log in into this website Samarth Ignou, not only Ignou, it is Samarth Ignou. Okay, just whatever I'm doing, watch clearly and follow it. Okay, you log into your account, you have to go to the examination section and click on that arrow. You will get a option of hall admit card. Just click on the hall admit card. You have already logged in. Okay, you can see your details over here. Just cross check the details, the enrollment number, view. Okay, it will take some time and it will download your admit card, hall admit card. You can see all the timetable, the dates, timings, everything in your hall admit card. Also make sure you're going in the right location of examination. Don't go in the wrong examination location, and make sure you're reading these instructions once. Okay, just go through it once, don't ignore all of these are important, that's why they are giving over here. And it's not all, you have to download it in your system and bring it to your phone. Just press that download button and it's already there. You can just see where the location it is getting saved. Just press the save and it is saved. You can go and check in the folders once for your confirmation. Thank you. That's all for today, guys. Make sure you are liking the video and subscribing my channel for all the updates.